I'm making a corner desk, and I really like my legs that are made with lap joints, but what I really don't like are these feet. They work good, but they don't look good. Let's see about rounding those edges. I use my tape measure to find the center of my 1x4 boards, and since it's dimensional lumber, they're actually 3.5 inches wide, of course. Then I use my speed square to draw that center line down the board. I love this red marking pencil. See my review of the Nick Pro kit that I use. Now, I first tried my protractor as an easy way to mark off rounded corners. It's very easy to center align it too. But I found the curves much too shallow to get the look I wanted. So I grabbed a small tub of wood filler and I just eyeballed the center and marked it. That gave me a much bigger curve and I liked it a lot better. I used my jigsaw to cut the corners, and I love this Ryobi jigsaw. It has settings for variable speed via the trigger and then orbital action, which is the dial here at the base. I also used a fine finish wood blade as it gave me a cleaner cut. Now this one was my first foot to do, and the cut was kind of rough. I did a lot better with the next 3 feet. Only half of the saw foot was on the board, so I had to be mindful of tipping it at an angle while I cut too. Then I finished the rough cut by sanding with a heavy grit first, like 60 or 80. That took quite a bit off at a time for me, especially at the center tip where it was the least rounded. Well, the cut ones aren't perfect. That's because I eyeballed it. But when I finish sanding them up and painting, I still think they're going to look a whole lot better than these square ones. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. And come over and see me at heartwoodart.com. Subscribe to this channel for more tips just like this.